In this video, I'm going to show you how to pick a random winning comment from a YouTube video. Maybe you're doing some giveaways for your followers or subscribers or anything. But before getting started, if you want to support me, please give me a like or a subscribe. I really appreciate that. And let's get started. All you need to do is open your browser and search for YouTube random comment picker. Get the second website and you can paste your video link here and click pick. You can customize the filter by anything you want, maybe a keyword if you are going picking a giveaway for someone that say hi or me, any word, any custom word. I am going to choose anything that goes. Press continue, and after reloading all the comments, maybe if you have 1,000 comment or 500,000 or any number, you just need to wait to the website to read all the comments. Then after the automatically choosing a winner, you just pick a winner, and here is the winner. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this guide was helpful. Goodbye.